Can you get peepers over here?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to wash my quilt.
Never mind, Tyrion did it for you.
Ah.
She's over here. It's
No!
okay.
More poops on my bed.
Yeah, I just washed it all too.
You didn't wash this though.
No, but I washed everything else in the bed.
Well, this is gonna have to be washed now because I can't get all these little poops off it. Even though this isn't supposed to be washed.
Well, you should get peepers a diaper too, so you can put them all on them and just bring them in the bed. Aw, Jibble just gave peepers a kiss. It was really sweet.
Alright. Well.
Hold on, let me get a little bit more. Beautiful they are. Scoot, scoot. Oh, wow. Isabel just like. Hell, so she got pissed at Tyrion. She's still mad at him. And she thinks it was. No, she's mad at Triple. She's taking all of her anger out on everybody big. It's so cool. Right, Peepers? Because you're a troublemaker. And everyone's super nice to you.
Aww.
Let me
It's a good
your
Isabella.
head. Just kidding, I'm done.